Hey everyone, welcome to JK HealthSpark, your go-to place for practical tips and inspiration to live a healthier, happier life. I'm your name and I'm so excited to share my very first video with you today. If you're looking to make small, sustainable changes that can have a big impact on your health, you're in the right place. Let's dive into *5 simple daily habits for a healthier you. Scene 1. You holding a glass of water. Habit number 1. Start your day with water. After hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning kickstarts your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and boosts your energy. Try adding a slice of lemon for an extra vitamin C boost. Scene 2. You stretching or doing light yoga. Habit number 2. Move your body for at least 10 minutes. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to feel great. A quick stretch, a short walk, or even dancing to your favorite song can improve your mood, circulation, and overall health. Find something you enjoy and make it a daily ritual. Scene 3. You preparing a colorful salad or smoothie. Habit number 3. Eat more whole foods. Fill your plate with fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins. These nutrient-dense foods give your body the fuel it needs to thrive. Start by adding one extra serving of veggies to your meals. Small steps lead to big changes. Scene 4. You meditating or taking deep breaths. Habit number 4. Practice mindfulness. Taking just 5 minutes a day to breathe deeply, meditate, or journal can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. It's a game changer for your overall well-being. Try it before bed or during a break in your day. Scene 5. You holding a book or turning off your phone. Habit number 5. Unplug and prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is the foundation of good health. Create a bedtime routine by turning off screens an hour before bed, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep, your body will thank you. And there you have it, 5 simple habits to help you feel your best every day. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination. Start with one habit, build from there, and celebrate your progress along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips like these. Let me know in the comments, which habit are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.